Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download brother DCP-B7535DW printer driver download and installations. So guys, first step, open any browser, Google search box to type like this, like that, and this is first link support.brother.com, this official website, so click on it. After that you can see Windows, Mac, Linux, mobile also there. So Windows 11. So if you are using guys Windows 10, so no worry about it, because of you can see this video and you can install the driver because of the driver download and installation process same. Okay, then click to OK. Then this is a full setup of the software. This is printer driver of USB, so this is for USB. Scroll down, click to download, and it will start downloading. It will, you can see 42.5 MB. Then it is completed. Click on these icons to where it is downloaded. It will open this folder, then right click to open, so it will create new folder and extract it. So this is your printer driver. Now driver download step is complete. Now try to install the printer. So before the installations, you have to on your printer and connect to the desktop laptop via printer USB cable. Click to start and then setting, then click to Bluetooth and device, and then printer and scanner, then click to add device, and it will show within 5-second manual options. Click on it, then select the last and add next device, then have disk, then browse, then go to these locations where it is downloaded and extracted. So this one, so select the INF, so accept only this file INF format. Okay, then click to open. Okay, now find out your printer DCP-B 7535. So this is your printer. Then next installations printing, then next. Now this is your printer has been installed, and before printing you have to restart your printer and your system also. Then third step, you have to share this printer on the network, so click to property, then sharing, check if it is unchecked, so check it. Click to security, then add file, type EVE and then check name it, so it will come the everyone. Then click to OK, then select everyone, then check it and then apply, then OK. Now your printer is shared, so then you can check it. Thank you.